So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link your CIBC bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Wallet, and then where it says Banks and Cards, go ahead and press on Add New, and then press on Banks. So on this page right here, for me, you can actually go down to where it says CIBC right here. So if you want to go ahead and press that, you can. Or if you don't see, you can go to the top, type in CIBC, press on that, and then it'll bring you to this next page right here that is actually a CIBC login. So you can go ahead and type in your card number, your password, and once that is done, go to the bottom, press on the blue button that says agree and link, and then you can link your account this way. So that is how to link your CIBC bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.